I have clarified this in the past also, and I'm clarifying it again, that this particular amount is not a loan. This 5,000 rupees that we are giving through Focus. Other programs have other, systems, but the Focus scheme is not a loan scheme. Focus is a grant and a subsidy which we give to our producer groups, and you do not have to repay it back. I want to make it very clear. So please don't have any doubts. There are people who will try to make things complicated and confuse our farmers. For whatever reason, we don't understand. When good is being done, they should support. But in turn, they're trying to confuse our people. So therefore, please don't believe that. This is not a loan, and this is a grant and a subsidy, and you will not have to repay back the Focus amount. Karo Wilsoni, tentang blok pramoni, dalon singko ya programo join kakapa pelakang ni kasar pingram, dasyo sini peninsula blok ni berping saksa, ingat sen, ya Focus ni tangkara loan ma, may napaka mandirangan, hayda magkangsi kude ya scheme po tsara jawa. Aro bakura Jawa ani sabarang de chansinga maina banga mandirangan loan ani chansinga uniga mananga ya chul kur ai digita thalat na skinga aro na isma sakanti na awiyat na skinga achini Focus program ni scheme de loan ongcha Focus program de grant aro subsidy sa ya dangka pesarang ko na ismang chutna nam Jawa. Or that scheme ko government as a subsidy or as a grant nesimang na kasay nesimang ni kamrang na nesimang ni group ni kamrang na nga ya tangkap peserang put nga inga uniga man saubar paimang nesimang na ya katarang ko akan na badunga hindi ba nesimang kasapay ako bibirak nabi dalo ya programo plak block ko ni tentang constituency tentang district ramoni memberang dalo online join ka unig man ang namin kusyo ka ay dadakpa program ko kangapat sang na sini Megalit State dakpa program ko dakpa skilo at sing atinga unig man ang nasimang ko magtela aro sini repeng ko ba jiya dalo da show ya question ko sangatsin biko ba kanang sa ya chokra ya magtelas ka